Our solution is the SPARC, and its younger sibling, the SPARClet, which can actually travel anywhere on the globe. Here it is being deployed in Barbados, an island that may not look as beautiful as it does now if the climate problem isn't addressed. We aren't the only ones actively fighting either. We work with the National Science Foundation, NASA, the Department of Energy, and the National Weather Service in a collective effort to help make the world safer, and the SPARCs are just a part of this big mission. Anything affects everything, so it's important for these scientists to visit locations all around the world. Atmospheric scientists and meteorologists are working around the world to help keep people safe from severe weather and natural disasters. Their research helps improve weather forecasts, understand where to build a safe home, and helps farmers grow and protect their crops. To all of you aspiring scientists out there, we hope that you'll soar high and reach destinations you've never been before. Just like a weather balloon, keep on going until you're on top of the world.